Have you ever installed your AI stack and everything works, but the GPU is not detected? CUDA version mismatch, cuDNN errors, dependency conflicts. This is the biggest hidden problem in AI development. And this is exactly why professionals don't rely on pip alone. They use Conda. What is Conda really? Conda is not just a Python package manager. It's a cross-language binary dependency manager that handles Python, CUDA, cuDNN, NCCL, C and C++ libraries, even R and Fortran packages, all inside one isolated, reproducible environment. That's why it's the backbone of AI, machine learning, and scientific computing. Why Conda is critical for GPU AI. Let's talk real-world AI workflows. When you install PyTorch with GPU support, you don't just need PyTorch, you need the exact CUDA version it was compiled for. With pip, this often breaks. With Conda, one command, Conda install PyTorch CUDA equals 12.1-C PyTorch-C NVIDIA, and you get GPU-ready PyTorch, correct CUDA toolkit, matching deep learning libraries, no manual setup, no compatibility issues. Multi-project and multi-Python workflows. With different AI frameworks, you need different Python versions. TensorFlow to Python 3.10, new AI agents to Python 3.12. With Conda, you create isolated environments and switch instantly. And using environment.yml, you can reproduce the exact same setup on any machine. This is how teams build reproducible AI systems. No more, it works on my laptop. Enter Mamba, the speed monster. Now let's solve Conda's biggest problem, speed. That's where Mamba comes in. It's a C++-based drop-in replacement that installs the same environment, but 10 to 50 times faster. Same commands, same environments, massive performance boost. Jupyter plus Conda equals perfect data science setup. If you use Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab, each Conda environment becomes a separate kernel. That means you can switch between CPU environment, GPU environment, different Python versions inside one interface. So if you're building AI models, LLM apps, data science pipelines, GPU training systems, Conda and Mamba are not optional. They are your infrastructure. Comment your biggest CUDA problem, subscribe for more AI engineering content. Full deep dive videos are on our channel. Watch now.